In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send USDT from Binance to another account. Now to start with, you want to be logged into your Binance account and you can just head over to the dashboard where you can find all of your holdings. From there, as long as you have USDT in your balance, we're ready to begin. So we can go up to these buttons and we want to click the middle option, which is withdraw. From there, we'll be taken to this withdraw fiat section, but since we're trying to send USDT, we're going to choose to withdraw crypto. From there, you want to choose the coin in which you're trying to send. So for this example, we're going to choose USDT. And from here, you have two options. You can either send it to someone via their crypto address, or you can send it to a Binance user. So if you're sending to a crypto address and you're just trying to send it to your MetaMask wallet, for example, what we can do from here is put our MetaMask address in here. And then we want to go down and choose the network in which we're trying to send it. So let's just say we're trying to send Ethereum USDT to our MetaMask wallet. We want to first choose Ethereum and then put our Ethereum wallet address in here. Now it is important that you choose the right network, because if you put a Solana address in here and chose the network as Ethereum, you will unfortunately lose your funds. So you want to make sure the address you're sending to is on the same network as you've chosen here. So from there, you can put in the amount that you want to send, and you also want to choose which wallet it's coming from. And from there, you can click withdraw to send that USDT from Binance to another account. Now, if you're trying to send it to a different Binance user, we're going to select Binance user. And from here, we have three options. We can send it via the recipient's email, the recipient's phone number, as well as the recipient's ID. So you basically want to choose whichever one you find easiest. And if you're sending it to a friend, for example, you just want to ask them for either their email, their phone number, or their Binance ID. And once you've entered the correct information in this section here, you'll then have access to a withdraw button down here, which you can click and send that USDT from your Binance, and you can send that USDT from your Binance account to another Binance account. So that's how you can send USDT from Binance to another account. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.